guys. Hey guys, welcome to Natalie J Couture Designs live DIY live design. Finally, I get a chance to catch you live. Yes. Yes, awesome. So I decided to do it a little bit later today. Well, not a little bit later, really late today. Then doing it at 11 o'clock in the day. Today design is going to be set up for 2. So I'm really looking out for the men today. So after this live and this DIY, I want all my guys to feel confident in being able to do something amazing or special, right? So today team is called I kind of embarrassed to say the team. It's called my WAP. It's called My Woman Appreciation Party. It's called My WAP. So My Woman Appreciation Party. Yeah. So today I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already have on my white tablecloth, and like I said, I'm gonna be setting up for 2. And I already have a little, just a mirror glass in here that I already put up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put up my chargers. I decided to go with my bling chargers. You can use any chargers that you have, but I'm going to use my bling chargers. Yep. And then I'm going to go ahead and put up my centerpieces. Guys, you can do this. So what I got right here is just a basic white vase with some flowers submerged in the water with some candles, floating candles on the top to give it this look. So you can do this. I have a lot of faith in you, and I hope in you knowing that you can do this, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and use my plates. Today we're going to use the clear plates. I love these. And since we had to play, I'm just go ahead and trim up my napkins. I'm going to use the black napkins with the silver napkin rings. And all I did, I just put it in one end, and then I pull it out halfway in the middle, just like this. And I'm going to leave it on here like that. Okay. Give it a nice little look. And then now what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to go ahead and add the silverware. So I'm just going to do 2 forks and 1 knife, okay? And as always, the knife goes on the right side, the forks is on the left. And we're going to be doing knife and fork because we're going to have desserts and a main course tonight. Yep. All right, so we have this up. So now I'm going to go ahead and add our glasses. We're going to do champagne glasses. All I did was stick a little bit of blackberries up in here, guys. So just to give it a little pretty look. Remember, your glass go on the tip of the knife, okay? Glass is always on the tip of the knife. I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the centerpieces that I have. I'm going to use tonight. You guys know I like my heights. I like to have some tall, some short, just some about everything. Yep. Okay. Now I'm gonna we're gonna add 2 little candles. So this right here, I used this probably about 6 weeks ago. So I tell you how I get this. This is just 2 candle holders that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I hot glue them together so I can make it a little taller because I wanted it to be tall, okay? And I'm just gonna go ahead and add it on. And like I said, when I came up with this design, I was thinking about the guys. I was like, I want guys to feel confident just knowing that they can do something cute and pretty. And we'll only set it up for 2 tonight, guys. All right. I'm not done yet, so I have a little bit more. All right, and then now I'm gonna add my last little piece. I'm gonna add to the table. Well, before I add that, I'm gonna add a little bit of desserts. Just have like some cute little banana pudding. I just added some raspberries in the middle, make it look pretty. We're gonna add one on one side. Then we have a nice little chocolate. Everybody loves chocolate. And this one on that side. And to top it off, to just make it pop, to add all the colors and all that amazing stuff, I'm going to add this guy right here. So I'll tell you what's going on here. So basically, to create this look, you're going to need like a clay, like a water bucket, like an ice bucket. Dollar Tree have ice bucket you can use as well. It's a little bit like wider than these. And you can just get any kind of flowers and submerge them in here. I have some dry flowers in here. These is actually like these is real flowers, and I leave them in the office and they get dry. So I have them in here. They are so cute. They are floating on top of the water. And I just have everything submerged in here. And then you can have your beverage, your champagne or your wine added in here, and just put a little bit of ice. See that look? And I'm gonna add this one to the table. Yes. There you go. And this is our look tonight. We did a setup for dinner for 2. You could just move around the flowers in there to kind of position it how you want it to look. And that's what I'm doing. I'm not doing nothing major, just moving it around to see what it look like, just so we can get all the prettiness of it. Right, and this is our look for tonight. And like I said, if you missed the beginning, tonight theme is called My WAP. It's called My Woman Appreciation Party. So this is for all my guys. You can go in there and just create something amazing that your partner is gonna love. And I will give you a close-up look as usual. Right here. Okay, so this is the close-up. Yeah. It's just a table for two. Isn't that so pretty? Yes. And like I said, these right here, all you do is just put some, oh, why am I showing this sideways? I'm sorry. You just put some flowers and some regular vase and just add your little floating candles on here. Floating candles. And we got a little bit of banana pudding over here. A little bit of chocolate stuff over here. And we all got a little thing. You got a little champagne glass and, you know. And, you know, even if you guys eating... You can even order McDonald's. I mean, I don't think she's gonna complain. It's the effort. So I hope you guys like this look today. As usual, it's gonna be on the YouTube site, Natalie J Couture Events. It's gonna be on the Instagram page as well, and all that amazing stuff. And I hope you guys love this look. Leave a review. Leave a comment, and you guys go ahead and enjoy the rest of your night.